So many women say that they take after their children, they bath them, or they bath their child, dress it and feed it, and then their children grow up and say, "Oh, I take after my dad." And the many women find it very, very unfair, because it's a hard job looking after children, bringing them up, and my tongue twister for today: whether the weather is fine or whether the weather is not, whether the weather is cold or whether the weather is hot, will weather the weather, whatever the weather, whether we like whether we like it or not. And I have a question: can you advise me some tongue twister to make better my pronunciation, to work on it, to work at it? Thanks a lot. Bye. And I like very much being in a village, because there is a bad connection, and I'm very happy because I can say then that we were cut off, and I'm free of calling all the time, and there isn't an internet connection to, and there isn't any internet connection, and I can be free in nature, I can breathe. So I look up this. I and my husband were together 10 years, and it's so nice to look back. Sometimes it's so nice to look back, and I see how our relationship is changed or not changed, or run in a circle. Our relationship runs in a circle, and I'd like to find out how manage some points in our attitude to each other, in our attitude to learning something, in getting better. I'd like to say that not only bringing up children is a hard job, and every day family life is also hard job, hard work, because every family member, husband and wife, have to work at their relationship, pay attention on each other, and look for their phones, because my husband was breaking down sometimes or very often, because he